new study shows a startling constant here in Milwaukee as we continue to be the worst in the country for African Americans' well-being.
SHAUN Gallagher is digging deeper into specific areas that are worse off than others, including teen pregnancy rates.
Having a child is a big responsibility. You're bringing another life into this world. And for African American teens in Milwaukee, they're doing this at a higher rate than almost every other big city in the country. And in a city where a number of inequities make it difficult to live, this just makes it tougher.
It was scary, definitely.
For TRINA CLAYTON, she found out she was pregnant her senior year of high school. She was 17 years old.
I was the pregnant prom queen. Your decisions have consequences.
CLAYTON now has 3 sons, and she wouldn't change any of it. But that doesn't mean it was easy.
I was working third shift, sometimes going into first shift, and then I would get off and then have classes and trying to graduate, but I did it.
In the Milwaukee metro area, African American teenagers have 9.5% of all African American births. It's something CLAYTON has talked with her 17-year-old son about. He's the same age she was when she got pregnant with him.
I had that conversation with my son. I'm like, listen, I don't want to be a grandmother anytime soon.
Experts say education is key.
We came together recognizing that this had been an issue for quite a while. We wanted to do something about it.
Julie Divjak with the United Way says they've had their Baby Can Wait program for the last 15 years. Since 2008, she says the total pregnancy rate for kids 15 to 17 years old has dropped 65%. But she says they still have work to do to help African American teens.
We partnered with the Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater Milwaukee that targeted 6 zip codes with the highest teen birth rates. I know what a huge responsibility that is, and to continue going to school, to graduate high school, to be able to have a job, all of those things.
Having a baby as a teenager, like it's going to be 1,000 times harder.
CLAYTON obviously loves her kids, but when it comes to teaching the next generation, she calls on her own experience to tell them to wait, because she knows how difficult it is, especially for girls of color.
Being a mother is awesome, but if you can wait, wait. Wait till you're like financially stable, mental health, like mentally stable, emotionally stable. You know, sometimes, unfortunately, a lot of our girls are in just really like rough situations, which, plays a part.
If you need help starting this difficult conversation with your child, the United Way has a number of resources to help. We'll have them over at our website at tmj4.com. Just look for this story. In Milwaukee, SHAUN Gallagher, TMJ4 News.